Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the battery icon to your Mac's menu bar so you can easily monitor your battery level at all times. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support us and keeps these Mac tips coming your way. Thanks. Alright, let's get started. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In the sidebar on the left, scroll down and click on Control Center. Next, find the section labeled Battery. You'll see a few options here. Show in Menu Bar, toggle this on to make the battery icon appear in the top right corner of your screen. Show in Control Center. You can toggle this on too if you want it to appear in your control center. Show Percentage. Turn this on if you want to see the exact battery percentage next to the icon. Show Energy Mode. This option lets you display low power mode status when active. Once you turn on Show in Menu Bar, you should immediately see the battery icon appear at the top. That's it. Now you've got easy, one-click access to your battery status and power options. If this video helped, hit that like button, leave a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.